National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Record this one.
Over 2 inches of rain has been reported, and additional rain is expected. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that could experience flooding include Calvert, Oxford, Rising Sunshine, Glen Roy, Zion, Blake, Lombard, Woodlawn, Andorra, West Nottingham, Pleasant Hill, Mount Vernon, Campbellsville, Fair Hill, Farmington, Appleton, Richardsmere, and Bayview. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles,